Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, our lesson is Where is my home? It is written by Sarah Hughes, illustrated by Sahi Young. Are you excited to read it? Grab your reading book and let's get started. The bug likes to play and laugh. Now she is caught in the rain. She flies to the doghouse. "Is this my home?" she asks. The dog says, "Ruff, ruff." "This is not my home," the bug says. "This looks just right," the bug says. The bird yells, "Squawk." "This is not my home," sighs the bug. Chapter 2. Bees and Ants. The bug sees a hive. She flies up to it. "Is this my home?" The bees say, "Buzz, buzz." "I can't stay here. Listen to all that buzzing," cries the bug. The bug sees an anthill. "Will that make a good home?" "Oh my, this won't work," says the bug. "It will soon be night. I don't know what to do. I wish I were home." The bug is tired. She flew all day. The bug finds a home. It is fancy and beautiful. "I can sleep here." It is a quiet night. The bug found a home. Good night.